Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a recruitment agency and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your recruitment agency. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to hit to the top, search for my market, recruitment agency. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select it. Great. Let's tell multi-site a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. And there you have it. It's literally generated a website for me with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content to make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. Certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you either. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and over here, I'm going to put in my email address so customers can easily reach out. Let's go ahead and tick that box to make sure it's visible on our website. Phone number, I'm going to pop in. That is click to call, by the way. And your physical location, if you have one, maybe your online business. If not, pop it in. When your customers click on that address, will automatically take them to Google Maps when your website's live. And update social links so you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed for your social channels at the top as well as at the bottom of your websites. If you've got a business logo, go ahead and upload it here and update logo. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. I've personally used both myself, and they're both great if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it, and update images where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. You now also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos. And update actions where you can change those buttons, call to actions buttons, the text, and where they link to, even uploading a PDF file for your customers if you wish to. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You'll keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you'd like to purchase a domain, you can do so as well by clicking that button through the Marty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.